Everyone. When you think of a bunny, what comes to mind? Big floppy ears, big black feet, small nose, or maybe a fluffy cotton-like tail? While bunnies are undeniably cute, there's much more to these fascinating animals that meet the eye. Today, I'd like to share with you some facts about bunnies, including their biology, behavior, domestication, and origin. To begin with, the biology and behavior of rabbits, also known as bunnies, according to the Oxford Dictionary, are those of small mammals in the family Leporidae, which could be either wild or domesticated animals, to include hares and pikes. Within a group, they are called a colony, or sometimes a warren when sharing interconnected burrows. In terms of diet, rabbits are herbivores, primarily eating only plants, including grass, hay, and vegetables. Since their teeth are constantly growing, it's essential for them to chew on hard plants, especially hay, to prevent overgrowth. This constant chewing helps maintain dental hygiene. When it comes to lifespan and mobility, rabbits typically have a lifespan of 10 to 12 years in captivity. Although, wild rabbits often live shorter lives due to environmental factors. They have strong hind legs, which enable them to run up to speeds up to 35 miles per hour. In addition to running, hopping, bouncing, zigzagging, and darting, rabbits can evade predators swiftly. Another interesting aspect of rabbits' behavior is their reproduction. Rabbits are also known for their rapid reproduction. A female, referred to as a doe, can have a litter every 28 to 31 days, with hundreds of offspring possible in a year. Newborn rabbits are also called kits, while a group of baby rabbits is referred to as nests. Historically speaking, rabbits began spreading beyond their native range in the Iberian Peninsula around the 2nd century BC during Roman expansion. Through Roman trade and farming practices, rabbits were introduced to other parts of the Mediterranean. According to the National Library of Medicine, domestic rabbits descended from the European rabbit, Ortoculus seniculus. Due to their adaptability in rabbit breeding, rabbits thrive in new environments, particularly on farmland. During this time, early Roman farmers attempted to raise rabbits in enclosed areas, called lepore, using them as a source of food. However, due to their natural digging behavior, rabbits escaped and established wild populations in all new regions. Centuries later, selective breeding gave rise to many of the rabbit breeds we recognize today. Breeds like Netherland Dwarf and Flemish Giant were developed, with some bred for meat or fur and eventually kept as pets. This laid the groundwork for selective breeding for all years to come. As history progressed, rabbits eventually spread to other continents, but this occurred much later, primarily during the 18th and 19th centuries, through European colonial trade and settlement. Today, rabbits live on every continent except Antarctica. Beyond their historical and ethnology significance, rabbits have made significant contributions to scientific research and human life. According to Understanding Animal Research, rabbits are key studies on cancer, glaucoma, ear infections, and diabetes. Rabbits have long been a source for wool, clothing, a food source, and a provider of companionship and emotional support. In conclusion, these furry, four-legged mammals have had a profound and lasting impact throughout history. Thriving alongside humans, rabbits continue to play an essential role in the ecosystem. Thank you for listening. Bye.